Jesus in prayer. Doesn't that sound very strange? Jesus in prayer? Was he ever in need of any prayer? We ask this question because we have a wrong understanding of prayer. We tend to think of prayer always as asking, pleading with God. God, I need this, please give me this. Our prayer is mostly asking. Prayer basically and fundamentally is communion. Enjoying the presence of the beloved. The one you love, the one who loves you, enjoying the presence, being in the presence of your beloved is prayer. It's like when you have sunshine, you just bask the light, the sunshine, the warmth of the sun. You just enjoy. You just sit there and enjoy. That is the best definition of prayer. Enjoying the presence of God, just basking the sunshine of God's love and being there in His presence. You don't need any prayer books. You don't need to say any prayers. You see, St. Paul says very clearly in today's first reading, be rooted in Him, again communion. Built on Him, again communion. Holding on to the faith you have in Him, again communion. And the last word is full of thanksgiving. When your heart is full of gratitude, you will never need any books any time. If you may say it again, if your heart is full of gratitude, in spite of the troubles of life, sorrows of life, pains, everything, in spite of all that, you feel grateful. Lord, I am blessed, you love me. I have all these things happening, but Lord, you love me. I thank you. If you are grateful to God, you will never need any prayer books. You are full of gratitude. Sitting in the church, in your chair, you feel love for God and gratitude for God, and then you are prayer. That's communion. May I say this too, as part of my thoughts on prayer? Some say, oh, I prayed and then I did, but it went wrong. Never think just because you prayed about something that things will work out. There's no connection. You prayed and you did not go the way you expected. There's no connection. Prayer is that you are putting your trust in God and leaving it to God, and you do something, even if it doesn't work out. In the plan of God, it was for the good. So never make that kind of connection, oh, I prayed, and why the Lord did not help me there. No, the Lord was helping you in His own way. Your prayer was answered because once you put your trust in Him, whatever way it goes, you be sure God was at work. In my mind, to my eyes, it wasn't a success, but in His plan, it was entirely for the good. So, dear friends, have this understanding of prayer. Prayer is primarily communion. No words are necessary. No books are necessary. A heart full of gratitude. That's all you need.